All right, check this out. This is a under seat subwoofer from H YANKA. They sent it out to me to try out for a while and see what I thought. I've had it in my vehicle for over a month now. Let's get into it. So I have a lot of companies reach out to me to see if I will test out products, and I normally just do a quick review on them and put them on another channel. I don't want to clog this channel with reviews, but this being automotive related, and I actually really like this product, that's why we're making a video of it for the Andy the X Tech channel. Otherwise, my other channel is X Tech Reviews. All this information is going to be linked in the description if you're interested. Pretty cool. All right, so you're gonna hook it up just like a regular amp, and it's already got the speaker attached to it. Pretty nice. Feels like quality. It's heavy. Got a nice cover over the speaker. And this is all aluminum. All right, so the instructions are pretty cut and dry. So we're gonna hook up some RCAs, and we're gonna hook up the power, the ground, and the switch. And that's pretty much all we're gonna hook up. This is for if you have a different type of system, if you don't have RCAs, but we're all set with that. I got it all hooked up. It's not taking up a lot of space. In this BMW, it really doesn't fit under the seat. That's about as far as I can get it under this seat on this E46, but that's okay. And it's not really going to fit under the back seat. If you had a pickup truck, this would work good under the back seat. It'll definitely fit under there. Got the power, the ground hooked up, and then the switch power, and then the RCA's hooked up. So let's try this out. Then I can make my adjustments. So we'll just keep it like this so I can do my adjustments. And this is only temporary in here. We are going to install this in the Beetle in the way back, so it'll be nice in the Beetle because that's a hatchback. So there we go. That sounds good. Definitely gives us the bass we were looking for that we didn't have when there was no sub in here. Yeah, cool. This works good. Way my BMW is set up, I don't have a lot of room under the seat to put this, so I had it in the back seat on the floor, and it worked great. I actually had to turn it down. It was giving out too much bass, which this thing actually works. I'm very impressed with it. I'm surprised how well it works. I ended up needing some space. I was picking up some people, and they were going to be sitting in the back seat, so I needed to move it to the trunk temporarily. But if I put it in the trunk and just turn it up, it actually works fine. It works great in the trunk, just like a trunk speaker, but it's not taking up all that room. So you could mount it in the trunk. I would use this in a hatchback vehicle. We're gonna put it in the Volkswagen Beetle so that the sound like fills in on that vehicle. The sound in the BMW is pretty good with the other subwoofer, but this is a great alternative. You don't have to worry about an amp. Everything's all enclosed. You just hook it up like a regular subwoofer and you'll be fine. So I give this a thumbs up. I'm going to give this a 9.5. This is a great product. Definitely check this out if you're interested in a subwoofer, adding some sound to your vehicle. And also there will be a link in the description for this. It's a great gift idea if you're thinking of getting something for someone who's really a automotive enthusiast or likes working with their hands. Definitely check this thing out.